Hey you guys, it's Janine and I'm coming to you so excited to share the coolest news from close to my heart with you today. But first let me ask you this. When was the last time that you were invited to an actual home party? Meaning you got an invitation in the mail, you showed up at a friend's house, there was a consultant there who had a presentation to teach you something really cool, you shopped, you had snacks, you visited with your friends. Hasn't happened in a long time, and I'm talking pre-pandemic even. I'm a consultant with close to my heart, and I don't do those home parties very often. We just operate in a very different world today, and I think a lot in direct sales operate really differently. So close to my heart is doing something very revolutionary, and you guys are going to love it. Starting on October 1st, guess what? Don't freak out. Close to my heart no longer has a quote-unquote hostess program where you come and shop, then one person is a hostess and one person gets all these free rewards. That program is now done, and it's being replaced with something that makes so much more sense and something that you are going to absolutely love as a consumer. So this program is called the Customer V.I.P program, and it's awesome, and it's basically going to reward you for when you shop. It's not going to reward one hostess for when everyone else shops. Let me tell you how this works. Starting on October 1st, the VIP program is going to be live for you. When you register with your consultant, me, and you sign up for the VIP program, now anytime you shop, 15% of your order, regardless of how small or how big it is, there's no minimum or maximum order size, regardless of how much you shop with, 15% of your order is going to go back into your own VIP account in free product credit to redeem whenever you feel like it. If you have a little bit of an amount, you can redeem it on your next order. If you just want to save it up until you just have like this huge amount in there and you just want to go on a ridiculously huge, fun, free shopping spree, you can. And you get to do it based on your purchase. So that's point number one, 15% free product credit goes back to you 100% of the time that you shop. Thing number two that's really cool is that you get the stamp of the month set free. So every month there is an exclusive stamp set from Close to My Heart. It's not part of the regular product line. It's only available 1 month. It has a retail value of $18.95. Well, guess what? Anytime your order is at least $50 more, doesn't matter, at least it's 50, you're gonna get that stamp of the month set totally free. That's an $18.95 value. So let's do some math. If you place a $50 order in 1 month, you're gonna get the stamp of the month, that's $18.95 free, and you're gonna get 15% product credit back free, which is $7.50 on your order. If you add up those two things, that's a combined total of almost $27 in free stuff for shopping. So you're not taking that reward and giving it to someone else. You're not taking it and giving it to a hostess. You're giving it back to yourself. Close to My Heart is rewarding you simply for shopping with things that you already want. Now you guys know as well as I do, we live very much in an e-commerce world. People are shopping online, they're picking up groceries online. Heaven help us, Amazon, we all love it, myself included, and we're all shopping online. Well, you know what? Close to My Heart recognizes that, and so they are doing something very revolutionary in the way that they're promoting this VIP program and rewarding you for when you shop. So there's still more. When you're a VIP, not only do you get a free stamp of the month, not only do you get 15% free product credit, big or small with whatever your order size is, there are going to be special offers and perks and incentives and workshop and things that only you get to take advantage of. Not every other customer, just VIPs. So there is a workshop that will be coming up, so stay tuned for details, and only VIPs will be able to attend, and there will be a special bundle you can get and a virtual workshop that you can follow along. And you're gonna see more offers and deals and specials like that as a VIP. Now here's the cool thing. You might be going, okay, where's the catch? This sounds too good to be true. I'm telling you, it's really not. The only thing is there is a minimal annual renewal fee, okay? So to sign up, it's only $35. You guys, that's less than $3 a month. But guess what? It comes with perks in itself. So when you pay your $35 annual fee to invest in this program, you initially get $15 of product credit before you've even placed an order. Close to My Heart gives you $15 in your account that you can shop with right away. So you know what? That's like a $20 investment, which is very, very inexpensive, okay? Or you can really jump into this program right away, because for anyone that signs up between October 1st and December 30th, so basically, or 31st, basically through the end of the year, instead of giving you $15 in free product credit in your account as a VIP, they were gonna put $25 instead. So pay $35, get a $25 product credit ready to spend right away, and you're only investing $10. You guys, that's about 83 cents a month. It's so affordable. So what I'm telling you is that I really want you to consider this program and jump on board. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love the perks. You're gonna love the free stamp of the month. You're gonna love all of that free product credit back. It's like having an unlimited coupon to Close to My Heart to get 15% of everything you buy back in your pocket. And like I said, spend it on the next order so that your next order is a little cheaper, or save it up and have like a really cool shopping spree. Maybe you want to save up $50 of product credit, maybe $100, maybe more. When was the last time that you got to shop for free based on your own purchase to begin with? You guys, it's awesome. So on October 1st, I hope that you will jump over to my website. The link is going to be in the description below, along with a really basic overview of this program. And I can't wait to start serving you as your consultant, helping you get all the VIP benefits and perks. But also, I'm more excited for you. I'm excited for you to be able to start getting all these incredible perks from Close to My Heart simply for being a VIP. Okay, we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.